Okay, whatever it will be, now we will start with the decision statements in this programming. Okay, so as you know, these decision statements are categorized into two types. Still, people are facing the same problem. Fan off here. Now, check it once, guys. Is this okay? Yeah. Okay. Doesn't it turn off your audio? Okay. Now, yes. As you gone through that video, so you will learn that these decision statements are again classified into two types. So those are nothing but if and what switch statements. Okay. Again, this if statement is categorized into four as simple if and if else statements, nested if statements, and if else if ladder. Okay. So switch statements alone will act. Okay. Now, so we'll discuss about this simple if. Okay. So if statement is most simple decision making statements. I already told you these decision statement, these control statements are used for making a decision itself. It is used to decide whether the certain statement or the block of statements will be executed or not. So I don't want to explain this definition and all. You just go through the definition. I'll simply explain you by this syntax itself. Okay. So see here. So in the if condition, see here we are going to give the condition. Okay. So if this condition is true, this particular block will be executed. Okay. So if this condition is true, then this block will be executed. Else it not been executed. Okay. So in the last class itself, I told you that the flow of execution of any program starts from top to bottom itself. Okay. So here, if the execution will start, then the compiler will check this condition. Okay. This particular condition will be checked by the compiler. If this particular condition is satisfied and if this condition is true, at that case, if body, that is, this particular body will be executed after this if condition, we may have some code, right? So if this condition is not satisfied in the sense, then the compiler goes to this particular line. Okay, the lines which is after the if condition. Okay. Now we will see with the practical implementation of this if. So we will there with this. Shall we go through the practical example? Okay. See here, as I told you, these are the pre-processor directives which we have. I'm going to import this slash include stdio.h. It will tell the compiler to import the input and output. Okay. Now we will see the example of this. I'll take the popular example that is so as we know, according to our constituency, so whenever the people having the age 18 and above is eligible for vote, right? Okay, so the people which are having the age 18 and above is eligible to vote. So the same example here I am going to take. So I am going to specify that by using the is the data type into data type followed by here I am going to take age, right? So here for example, I'll take the age as 70. Okay. So now we will check whether this particular age person is eligible for vote or not. Okay. So if here I am opening the if condition, here I am opening the if, and here I am in this I am going to mention the condition. Okay. See here the condition is if age is what we need to mention here. So if age is greater than or equals to 18 in the sense, at the case, what we will tell, so we tell to the compiler that the candidate is eligible for vote, right? So those who are having the age 18 and above are eligible for vote. So that's what the thing we mentioned over here. Okay. So now we'll try to check this. I would like to run this. Here it's not producing anything. Yes, if you people are observing in the sense, see here, you need to tell the answer for this. So what I given here, if yes is there and equals to 18, it is only for you. But we are not given any other statement. Here we need to mention printf, printf. So in this particular statement, I am going to give the candidate is not eligible for vote. Okay, candidate is not eligible for vote. So this is what mistake we made over here. And returning that is zero. Now, we'll discuss about the if-else statement. So, what I told you uh, in that example, defaultly the default statement is executing. Right? So, the if statement allows us that if the condition is true, it will execute a block of statements. And if the condition is false, it won't execute that particular block. So that's why. So if the particular condition is not satisfied, so then this block will be executed. Okay, that's what the condition is. So see here, as I told you, the flow of execution starts from here. So this flow of execution started, and it will check the if condition. So if this particular condition is true, it will execute the if block. Okay, see here, if block will be executed. If this particular condition is not satisfied, at that case, it will go to else body. Okay, so if the condition is not satisfied, at that case, it will goes to the else body. Then the statements after this if and else blocks will be executed. Okay, so this is what the syntax is. So that here, this is a very important question in your extra exams. Okay, so that's why I'm stressing more over here. So if condition is true, this particular block will be executed. So if the condition this condition is not satisfied, at that case the block of execution enters into this else block. Okay, so this else block will be executed. Then we try to implement this practically. So see here. So what we observed here, I'll give the slash n. As you know, slash n is the escape character which is used to skip that particular line into the next line in the output. Okay. So here now this output will be altered. Now, so what I told you, if age is greater than or equals to 18, then if bug is executed. So else, if age is not greater than or equals to 18 in the sense, at that case, you have to print this particular statement, right? So now I'll try to execute this. So see here, if age is greater than or equals to 18, this particular statement will be executed. Then else, so if this condition is not satisfied, then the case this particular statement is going to be executed. Okay, now we'll try to find it. So see here. So here, what the given is 18, then the candidate is eligible for vote. So I'll try to change this to 15. Now we'll try to execute. So see here, the candidate is not eligible for vote. Okay, so this condition, the compiler will check this condition. If this condition is satisfied, then this particular statement will be executed. So if it is not satisfied, at that case, it will go to the else block. Okay, if the condition is satisfied, then the compiler will go to the else statement. Okay, so this mind it. So if this condition is satisfied, this block will be executed and the compiler will go to this else statement. If not satisfied, then the case only the compiler will go to the else block. Okay, so hope you people got it right. Is there any doubts? So if and if else, is there any doubts? Let me know in the comment section, guys. Because I want response from the review, guys. What about Priya, Jagdish, Venkatesh, Arun? No doubts, right? Okay. So if you people are clear with this if and if else in the sense, then we'll go to the next statement, that is, sorry. So if else ladder. Okay. Then we will skip to the if else ladder. Okay. It's there. Okay. Yeah. If one condition is satisfied, then in if block we have one more if condition. Okay. So if this condition is satisfied, then it will enter into the if block. Inside the if block, one more if condition is there. Okay. Here, the flow of execution starts over here. If it will check the condition, if the condition is satisfied in the sense, it will go to if it will enter to the if body. So inside if body, it might be having one more if. Okay. Whenever the if statements are having one more if condition in the if block in the sense, at that case, that particular statement are set to be nested if statements. Okay. So nested if statements are nothing but inside if one more if will be there. Okay. Hope you got it. Now we will check the we will try to take an example for checking whether which number is greater. Okay. Now I'll take this example. I'll take the numbers. So int a comma int a equals to 10. Okay. One variable here on my initialize. Now I'm going to check if a is greater than or equals to 10. If a is greater than or equals to 10, at that case, printf the given number is greater than 10. So then, what I told you, nested if in the sense inside if block, there might be having one more if block. Okay, so if a modulus 2 equals to 0 in the sense, so what this a modulus 2 returns, it will returns the remainder, right? So if the remainder is 0, so what it would be? So if the remainder is 0, then the given number is even, right? Printf the given number is even. Okay. So this is what about this inside if. Okay. So here I am mentioning one else block. So if it is not even in the sense, at the case it will print the given number is odd. Okay. So here inside one if condition, one more if condition is there. Okay, this is what the nested if statement. Now we will try to execute this statement. So the given number is greater than 10, greater than or equals to. Here what I given greater than or equals to. I'll just simply remove this equals to, and here for each and every line I'll give the escape character, escape sequence, that is a slash n. So what this slash n will do, it will skips to the next line. Now I'll try to see here. When I given other time, here I mentioned equals to, but here I am not mentioned anything. So for if after default we have program will be executed. Okay. Now we will try to run this. Oh, so we have to terminate this by using the what, semicolon, right? So that's why it's shown error. So see here. So when the number is less than 10,000, that case, this is the number greater than then only the program will be executed, will be shown. Okay. So now I will try to change this number as 11. Okay. So we will try to see here. The given number is greater than 10 and the given number is odd. So if a modulus 2 equals to 0, in a sense, at that case only this block will be executed. Otherwise, it will not be executed. That's what I told you in the previous example. So that's why the compiler entered into this block. Okay. So at that time, the given number is odd. So here, we, as I told you, the printf outside the any block will be printed as it is. Okay, by default, this printf will be printed. That's why. So here I am going to give you one more else block. Okay, so to remove this particular line, I'm given one more else block. Okay, so what the compiler will say, so if it is satisfied in the sense, this block will be executed. Otherwise, the compiler will go to this particular statement and the code which is in this block will be executed. Okay, so now we'll see here. The given number is greater than 10 and the given number is odd. Okay, so for even number, I'll just keep it 12. 12 is an even number, right? So we'll say the given number is greater than 10 and the given number is even. Okay, hope you got it. Right? Let me know in the comment section, guys. You people are clear with that, right? Let me know in comment section. You people are clear with this. If else and that's it, right? So if it is okay in the sense, then I'll move to the next decision making statement, that is if else if ladder. Okay. Now we'll check this if else if ladder. First we'll try to discuss so see here guys. So if else if ladder, what it will do? It will do. So the C if the statements are executed from the top approach. As I told you, whatever the programming language is, the flow of execution always starts from the top and it will end. So you have to flow of execution will starts from top and it will end in the bottom. Is there any problem? Okay, see here, we'll try to understand this by using this syntax itself. So you can go through this this entire definition, and those who are having the what that external examinations or the public exams. At that case, you just use this definition and all. But for the sake of understanding, I'm going to explain by using this syntax itself. Okay, so if this condition is satisfied, as we know, this statement will be executed. Okay, so in the starting cases, what we have, so if this condition is not satisfied, then it will go to the else block. But here it's not the condition. If this condition is not satisfied, then it will go to the else if block. Okay, so here also one more condition will be there. Okay, here also one more condition will be there. If this condition is satisfied, then this particular statement will be executed. Okay, see here the flow of execution starts over here. It will check the if condition. If this particular condition is satisfied, then it will go to the statement one. That is, assume that this is as a statement one. So then this particular statement will be executed, and the remaining else if statements would not be executed. Okay, then it will go to the default next statements. Okay, so if this particular condition is not satisfied, at that case, assume that this is as an else if block, again it will check the condition present over here. Okay, so if this condition is satisfied, at that case this statement 2 will be executed, and you assume that this is as a statement 2, so this particular statement will be executed, or else then it will go to the condition 3. That is, it might be one more condition, one more if else condition, sorry, else if condition, then finally it will goes to the else body if this condition is not satisfied. Okay, no, or this condition is false in the sense, in that case it will go to the else body. So after the completion of the this particular else if block, then it will go to the default or the next statement, then the program will be exited. Okay, so hope you people are clear with this. Now I will try to implement these example by using the this. Okay, so here I'll try to um, I'll try to send this code to your code in your WhatsApp groups. You can go through the code. Now we'll try to check this else if statements. Okay, here I'm going to take the days example. Okay, so day equals to, I'll give 2. Okay, so if if day equals to 1 in the sense, at the time printf Monday, then else if day equals to 2, at that case printf Tuesday, then one more else if we have 7 days in a week, right? So if day equals to 3, you just print Wednesday. Then one more else if for day 4, day 4, then printf Thursday, then else if day equals to 5 in the sense, at that case I'm telling the compiler you just print day is Friday. Then one more else if day equals to 6 in the sense. At that case, the compiler will print as Saturday else if A is equals to 6 in the sense, sorry, 7 in the Sunday. So this is how we mentioned the code over here. But if the user given the number as what the beyond this 7 in the sense, at that case we need to tell to the user, right? So that's why I'm giving else in the else block to printf. Please enter the numbers in the range of 7 or 1 to 7. Okay. Now we will try to run this particular code and we'll see how it would be and how it would be executed. Okay. So see here Tuesday will be printed because here I'm given the day as 2. Okay. So if I replace this day as 3, at that case, what it will do? It will print the Wednesday. Okay. In the same way, if I remove this with 4, then it will print Thursday like this. Okay. So hope you people are clear with it, right? So here I'm given the day over here. So if day equals to 1 in the sense, at that case it will print the Monday. So if day equals to 2, so what I told you, so the flow of execution will start from top to bottom itself. So that's why the here the flow started from the main function. So it will check this condition whether it is satisfied. No, so it's not satisfied. Then it will goes to this particular condition whether it is satisfied. No, right? So then the next else if statement will be executed. Here the this particular condition is satisfied. That's why this particular block will be executed and the compiler will omit the remaining else if blocks, and then the what the execution will be exited. Okay, so hope you people are clear with this, right? Let me know in comment section, guys. Let me know in comment sections, guys, whether you people are clear with this or not. So if you people are clear in this, then I'll go to the next condition. Okay, that is a switch. So till now we completed the if, then we will move to the switch. Okay. So ladder is nothing but see here. What Gautam is asking that. So what is ladder in C Anna? So ladder see here Gautam. ఇదేమంటే వాళ్ళు ఏమి ఇచ్చినారు, ఇది ఎల్సిఫ్ లాడర్ అన్నమాట. సో ఇప్పుడు లాడర్ అని ఎందుకు అన్నారంటే ఇక్కడ మనం చాలా ఎల్సిఫ్ అనేది యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి, సో ఈ ఎల్సిఫ్ లాడర్ ని సిమిలర్ గా యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం చూడు, ఎల్సిఫ్ 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 ఎల్సిఫ్. సో అందుకనేసే దీన్ని ఎల్సిఫ్ లాడర్ అన్నారు. ఓకేనా. సో బేసిక్ గా ఈ లాడర్స్ అనేటివి లేవు అన్నమాట. సో దీనికి అంటే ఈ విధంగా ఇవ్వడం కష్టంగా ఉంది కాబట్టి దీన్ని ఓవర్కమ్ చేయడానికే మనకు స్విచ్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ అనేటివి వచ్చినాయి అనమాట. ఓకేనా. సో దీని తర్వాత మనం ఏం చదువుకుంటామంటే స్విచ్ స్టేట్మెంట్. సో ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఈ ఎల్సిఫ్ లాడర్ లో ఓకే అనుకునేటట్టయితే, అంటే మీరు క్లియర్ గా ఉన్నారు ఈ ఎల్సిఫ్ లాడర్ అంటే, మనకి ఏమంటే మనం నెక్స్ట్ ఈజీగా మనము స్విచ్ కండిషన్ అర్థం చేసుకో స్విచ్ ని అర్థం చేసుకోవచ్చు అనమాట. ఓకేనా. ఓకే గౌతమ్, అర్థమైందా? సో ఇక్కడ ఏం రా అంటే సేమ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ తీసుకున్నాం. ఓకే, డేలు ఇది మెన్షన్ చేసేది సేమ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ తీసుకున్నాం. Wait a minute. Checking whether which number is greater. Okay. No, I'll take this example. I'll take the numbers. So int a comma int a equals to 10. Okay. One variable here I'm initialize. Now I'm going to check if a is greater than or equals to 10. If a is greater than or equals to 10. Now the same example will try to. Okay, now we'll see the same example. Okay, see here in the last example what we taken. So if the day number is matched, at that case that particular block will be executed, right? So then first we will see what is this switch statement. Okay, so switch in C. If else statements. So we are with these switch statements. Okay, so it is an efficient and readable alternative to the series of if else statements, and it consists of an expression to the series. So you will go through this definition and all. We'll try to understand this by using this syntax itself. Okay, so switch, here we are going to give the expression. Okay, here we are going to give the value, and then so it will check this particular case. So if this particular case is satisfied, okay, so this is what here also the condition is there. There we are given 1 2 3 4 right, case followed by the number. Okay, then this case block అన్నమాట ఇది. ఓకేనా, ఇది కేస్ బ్లాక్. ఈ పర్టికులర్ కేస్ అనేది సాటిస్ఫై అయిందంటే మనకి ఈ స్టేట్మెంట్ అనేది ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా. సో ఇప్పుడు ఈ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అయిపోయిందంటే మనకి రిమైనింగ్ కేసెస్ తో మనకు అవసరం లేదనమాట. ఓకే, దెన్ అదేం చేస్తుంది అంటే నెక్స్ట్ లైన్కి వెళ్తుంది అనమాట. సో ఈ కేసు సాటిస్ఫై కాలేదు, ఇక్కడున్న ఈ కేసు సాటిస్ఫై కాలేదు టాప్, అండ్ in almost all the programming languages it will use the top down approach. So switch statement, so if this particular case is true, then this particular block will be executed and it will go to the next statement. Okay, so if it is satisfied then it will go here. So if it is not satisfied in the sense, then it will check to the next case. If that particular case also not satisfied, then at that case this default will be executed. Otherwise this default is will not be going to be executed. Okay, now we'll try to practically implement this switch, then only you people come to know what is this switch. Simply I'll remove everything here. Same, therefore I'll take. So here I'm going to take the day, right? So that's why switch day and case. So if it is case one, okay, case 1, at that case print as Monday. Then once after completion of the execution, it will break. So break is jump statements which we are going to see in the further classes in detail. So simply it will break this particular block and it will go to the next statements. Okay. So I'll simply try to copy and paste. So if it is 2 at that time, I'm telling the compiler to print Tuesday, Tuesday. In the same way, if it is 3 at that time, Wednesday, Wednesday. Then if it is 4, in that case, Thursday, Thursday. If it is 5, in that case, Friday. If it is 6, in that case, Saturday. It is 7, then at that time, it is Sunday. So I told you that the default statement would also be there. Okay, as there that else block అంటే మనకు అక్కడ ఎల్స్ బ్లాక్ ఉంది కదా, అక్కడ ఎల్స్ బ్లాక్ ఎలా వర్క్ చేసిందో ఇక్కడ కూడా ఏమంటే ఈ డిఫాల్ట్ అనేది వర్క్ చేస్తుంది అనమాట. మనము ఒకవేళ ఆ నంబర్ ను దాటి కానీ ఇచ్చామనుకోండి ఇన్పుట్ గా, అలాంటి కేసెస్ లో మనకి ఏం చేస్తాడంటే ఇన్వాలిడ్ డే నంబర్. ఓకే, ఇట్ విల్ ప్రింట్ లైక్ దిస్. Okay, so now it is clear. So now we'll try to execute this particular one. So see here, so if it is day 4, what I told you here, the expression that we are going to use is mentioned in this speech. Okay, అది కాదు ఏం దాని గురించి ఉంటా అంటే ఏడా. So see here, it will check the expression and it will enter into the switch, and it will check so whether it is satisfied or not. If this case is satisfied, then it will be printed and it will be break. Okay. So if it is break, in a sense, it will go to the after this switch block. Okay, so the flow of execution will come out and it will execute the blocks which is present over here. Okay, so now I'll try to give the number beyond the 7. We'll see what it will happen. So see here, invalid day number will be printed. Why? Because the number which we are given is not in the range of 1 to 7. That's why it's printed as invalid day number. Okay, so hope you people have got it right. Let me know in comment section, guys. So I already told you that the for day-wise notes. So if you want a day-wise notes in the sense, you just go to our official website. So our official website is startelearning.in. Startelearning.in. You can download your materials from there. So everyone, please try to visit our official website and you can download your day-wise notes. So this particular notes also I'm going to upload over there. You just go and download from there itself. Okay. So hope you people are clear with the today's class, right? Is there any doubts, guys? So if you have any doubts in the sense, I'll try to clarify your doubts. Is there any doubts? So decision statement notes also available in your device notes, and I have to update this decision statements alone. Okay, decision statements also uploaded. So decision statements also uploaded to website. So see here, start e-learning, start e-learning.in. Okay, so this is our official website. So see here, home about courses. Here you will observe this. You will see this device notes. You just click on this device notes. This particular block will be opened. So here 2023 session, your class is C programming, right? So you can download your materials from here. Okay. So you just click here, then it will be redirected to your Google Drive. So see here, day one, day two, day three, and these decision making examples, and this decision statement PPT what that I have used in the class. So everything is uploaded there. Okay. Now I'll give the attendance. Let me know, guys, if there are any doubts. I'll show you. I'll see your performance in the exam. Okay. In the starting itself, I told you I'm going to conduct the exam. There I will see your performance, not here. When I ask any doubts or when I ask any questions in the sense, at the time everyone is used to quit the class. No one is ready to answer. So I only received the response from Gautam and Jagdish, Achyuta and Venkatesh. That's it. No one is there to respond. Okay, we'll see in the exam. So once you're done with your attendance, you can leave the class. So hope you people are clear with the today's class, right? So in this class we discussed about the control statements. Then in the control statements we discussed simple if else, nested if, and if else ladder, and also we discussed about these switch case statements. Okay. In the next class we will see the control statements in the